I know y'all can't see it, but my phone about to die. We got it in the tube though. It's all good, you know. And y'all will see it no matter what. Alright, Pyro? Check this out. Yellow and green glitter Excalibur shell. Put in the tube, Escal tube. Make sure it's nice and shifty. Go all the way down to the bottom. My phone's about to die, but we still got it though. Damn, all the wind is took and everything. Alright, Pyros. One of my favorites. So we got it under control. Every fucking care. I'm gonna bust in 20 fold. This is our hungerness. You like the fucking shit. Correct as it is. This tube goes on forever. And my lighter. I came out right. I ran out of 24 tubes. So it's whatever. I ran out of them. Oh, we'll get it, Pyro. We'll get it. There's no worries. Last but not least, all this stuff is wet, but it's okay. Shells, of course. Shells. Come it this way, I guess. Shell. These shells are so smoking even after I lit them, but it's so. I mean, the mortar racks, especially the Excalibur, it smokes a lot, man. But I realized the other tubes, the glass tubes, they don't really smoke a lot as the HDP tube, but it's okay though. HDP tube smokes a lot, even though after you lit them like 5 minutes later. Just letting y'all Pyros know, just be careful. But we're gonna light these shells off. This is the last of that I got, alright? So I'll be back, we'll get it. Wait. This thing is burnt out. Look at this thing. Burnt out. Just not like one at a time. I like these canister shells. They're fun, man. Hey, y'all don't know. We got another one. Come on, Pyro. These blow shit up, Pyros. Another one. Just for y'all Pyros. And we got another one. And then Pyro, we got a cake right here. We're gonna light up. Oh, they're mad now. Yeah, Pyros.